guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got two Gemini Jet models that we're gonna unbox today. We got an Emirates Boeing 777-300er, year the 50th, and we got a CargoJet 767-300 freighter. I won at SpotLAX 2024, and at the I won these in a raffle at the Hilton Hotel. So H Hotel viewers, if you know what we're talking about, that's where I got them. So without further ado, let's go unbox these babies. So the first plane that we're gonna unbox today is this Boeing 777-300er. It's a 1:200 scale model. It is a partnership between Emirates and Gemini Jets. This thing is huge. It's the size of my head. There you go. You guys can look at the back. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna be very careful. This thing is gigantic. It is huge for a 1:200 scale model. This is the biggest Gemini Jets model that I've ever owned. It is very, very heavy. This thing weighs at least a pound. Oh my gosh, just look at this. This is gorgeous. It is heavy, it is stainless steel, it is die cast. Gemini Jets always knows how to make the finest details in their die cast models. What else comes in the box? So we got the plane right here. So it comes with the landing gear. It has 12 on the Boeing 777, 12 tires on the main landing gear and 2 in the nose. So nice to see these in the little bag like that. And in this bag we have the nose gear, as well as what appears to be some type of, I don't know what this is. If you guys could tell me in the comments what this is, I'm actually genuinely curious. I know that this is the nose landing gear door, but I don't know what these sections are. And finally we have the stand. This is a gorgeous stand. It's very plated. It's aluminum. It's a beautiful quality stainless steel. It feels nice to touch, nice in the hand. Again, very high quality when it comes to Gemini Jets. I haven't had a problem with Gemini Jet models compared to the other brands. So this is a really nice, really nice product that they have here. And this is how it goes in its stand. Beautiful. This might actually be my decor setting for my future YouTube videos. This is absolutely gorgeous. The stand, the color goes just so elegantly with the Emirates 777. This is easily one of my favorite, if not my favorite, Gemini Jet model that I currently own right now. Alright, so we're gonna put it right here, and this bad boy is never leaving my side. Any true aviation collector knows that if you're gonna collect the Gemini Jet models, you also collect the box. The box never leaves. Up next, we have the Gemini 200 model. This is Canadian Airline CargoJet. This is a freighter plane, so not passenger. And this is the interactive series. So this plane actually has a part that moves. So let's open this bad boy up. Ooh! Wow. Look at this. Let's take out the plane. Wow. So as you can see, the wheels already come installed on this CargoJet 767. It's a 300 freighter version. Alright, and in the box we also have included the door, the cargo door, which is movable, by the way. And interestingly enough, it comes with its own pin. So the interactive series have moving parts on the planes, but because the gap is so small and we have giant fingers, they provide a small little pin. And here's the pin that I was telling you about. This thing is tiny, so you basically get the plane model, and this is the door that is removable, by the way. This is the interactive part of the plane. So on cargo jets, they usually have these giant doors built right in the body of the plane, and they open up so that the cargo workers can load and unload the ULDs and the boxes that go inside the planes. Take a look at this. This is amazing. That is awesome. That is awesome. I now have an open door of the CargoJet, and obviously because there's such a giant hole, and so this is where this plastic piece comes in, and you put it right here inside the little gap right here. You put it right here inside this little gap. You put it right here. And bam. And finally we get another stand for the CargoJet. So we put it right here in the hole. So all in all, these are two amazing, beautiful models. I am so grateful to have won these at the SpotLAX Hilton event. I will be at SpotLAX 2025 this year, which is usually in September, and I will be winning more raffle planes. I've won 3 times in a row, and I'm not stopping now. From 1 to 10, how much would I recommend these planes? I would give it a 10. I would give both of these a 10. But if I had to actually give a which one is better, CargoJet or Emirates, I'm gonna go with my Emirates. This baby is beautiful. This baby's sweet. This baby is gigantic. I'm sorry, but I will always pick an Emirates 777 any day over the CargoJet 767-300 freighter. It's just a no-brainer. It really is. But no, these, in my opinion, these are two very beautiful models. Beautiful, beautiful models. I just prefer Emirates a little bit more. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this nice unboxing of these two Gemini Jet models. Emirates Boeing 777-300, year of the 50th livery, and CargoJet 767-300 freighter. I would highly recommend these planes. In my opinion, Gemini Jets is one of the best places to go if you want a die-cast model. I'm gonna put a link up here to click on them if you want to go check them out. Check their website. Their models usually go around $100 to $200. By the way, I am not sponsored. This is just my personal opinion. I love Gemini Jets models. I wish I was sponsored. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave any comments, ratings, and suggestions down below, and I would love to see you guys in the next one. Peace.